Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to discuss the elements of cost. Let's start the video. The elements of cost. Cost are those elements that constitute the cost of the manufacturer of a product. The cost of an industrial enterprise may be divided into three principal elements: material cost, labor cost and expense. Let's understand each of elements in detail. First, material cost. Material cost, commodities supplied to an undertaking. Material cost are two types: direct material cost and indirect material cost. Direct material cost represents the raw materials necessary to provide or manufacture a product. The cost of direct material varies according to the level of output. For example, milk is the direct material of butter. The amount of money spent on direct material is known as direct material cost. An indirect material is one which is necessary for the production's process, but it's not directly used in the product itself, which means it does not become an integral part of the product. Example: cotton waste, sandpaper, oil, greases, etc. The cost associated with indirect material is called indirect material cost. The same material may be direct material for one producer and an indirect material for another in certain cases. Some direct materials are used so little that it is not worthwhile to charge them as direct materials. Nails, glues, glue paints are for example. In such conditions, these materials are charged as indirect materials. Or overheads. Number 2. Labor cost. Salary, wages, bonus, commissions of the employees of a company. Labor cost is also divided into two portions: direct labor cost and indirect labor cost. Direct labor cost is the cost of labor directly engaged in production's operations. For example, workmen engaged in assembling part, carpenters engaged in furniture making, etc. Indirect labor cost is the remunerations paid for labor engaged to help the production's operations. Example: inspector, watchmen, sweepers, storekeepers, etc. The remunerations paid to the persons cannot be traced to a job process or production's order. The labor cost of idle time, overtime, holidays, etc. are also taken an indirect cost. Similarly, clerical and managerial staff, salesmen, distributions employees are also included in the orbit of indirect labor. Number 3. Expense. Expense, an understanding and the theoretical cost of the use of owned assets. Is easy word. It is the expenditure other than labor and material is called expense. Expense are two types: direct expense and indirect expense. Direct expense are the expense that can be directly identified with a unit of output, job, process or operations. They are specifically incurred for a job or unit process, and in no way they are connected with other jobs or process. For example, the cost of special patterns, designs or plans for a particular job or works order. Indirect expenses are expenses other than indirect material and indirect labor which cannot be directly identified with unit of output, job, process or operations. These expenses are incurred commonly for job and process. For example, rent, power, lighting, depreciations, bank charge, advertising, etc. You can support my work by subscribing my YouTube channel, like the video, and thanks for watching this video.